Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Oppo A74 5G. Let's get started. On the front, you can see the image of the phone. On this side, phone's name, and at the back, specifications of the phone. So you can slide the box like this. Let's open the box and find out what we get inside. So you can see this lid inside the box, and in the lid there is SIM ejector tool. And next is documentations like safety guide and quick guide, which will give you information about the phone. This phone comes with a transparent back cover which will protect the phone. Here is the Oppo A74 5G. Comes with fantastic purple color, looks very premium. The phone has Oppo branding at the bottom and a 48 megapixel triple camera setup. Now we have USB Type-C cable for charging the phone. And here is the 2-pin wall charger which supports 18 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Oppo A74 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.